In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access prior year returns on TurboTax Desktop. If you need to look back at an older tax return for reference, record keeping, or to download a copy for your files, this process is very simple once you know where to look. I'll walk you through it clearly so you can follow along without any confusion. To begin, open TurboTax and go to the main area of your account where your tax information is stored. From there, look for the Documents section and click on it. This is the place where TurboTax keeps important files related to your returns. So if you're trying to find something from a previous year, this is the right starting point. Once you're inside the Documents area, the next thing you want to do is find the option labeled View Documents From. This section lets you switch between different tax years so you can locate returns that were filed in the past. Select that option and choose the year you want to access. Take a moment here to make sure you're picking the correct year, especially if you filed multiple returns and need a specific one. After you've selected the prior year you want to review, look for the three-dot menu next to the document or return you need. This three-dot icon usually opens a small menu with more actions available for that file. Go ahead and click it to reveal those options. From the menu that appears, click Download. This will let you save a copy of the prior year return to your computer. Depending on your browser or settings, the file may download automatically, or you may be asked to choose where you want to save it. If that happens, pick a location that will be easy to remember, like your desktop or a dedicated tax folder. Once the download is complete, open the file and confirm that it's the correct return and year. That quick check can save time later, especially if you plan to print it, send it to a tax professional, or use it while preparing a new return. A helpful tip is to keep your downloaded tax files organized by year, so they are easier to find in the future. It's also a good idea to store them somewhere secure, since tax returns contain sensitive financial information, and that's all it takes to access prior year returns in TurboTax Desktop. Follow those same steps anytime you need to go back and retrieve an older return.